bounce it high, don't let it fall. Z, C for cat, meow meow, cute little cat. D for dog, happy puppy, wag your tail, dog. E for elephant, big and strong elephant. F for fish, swim, splash, fishy wish. G for goat, jumping on a little boat, goat. H for hat, put it on just like that. I for ice cream, yummy treats, every kid's dream. J for jug, full of water, give a hug, fish. A for kite, flying high, oh so bright. L for Laurel, king of jungle, roaring lion. M for monkey, jumping funny, super funky. When N for nest, baby birds taking rest. O for orange, juicy sweet orange. P for parrot, green and let's more parrot. Q for queen, pretty crown, well. I for rabbit, hop hop hopping, happy habit. S for sun, bright and warm, shining fun. T for tiger, big stripes, brave tiger. U for umbrella, rainy day, my friend umbre. V for van, let's go riding, yes we can. W for watch, tick tick time watch. X for xylophone, color bars, musical tone. Y for yacht, sailing boat, guess what? Z for zebra, black and white, lovely zebra. A to Z we learn today. Sing, subscribe, come and play.